Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to have a huge welcome to my new subscribers. We just hit 40 subscribers and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I am so happy you guys are enjoying my content, and so here we are. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps me out. And what I usually do is I usually open up my cleaning videos with a motivational quote. Today's quote is from Think and Grow Rich. It's quite short, so it says, "Those who have cultivated the habit of persistence seem to enjoy insurance against failure." So I just wanted to kind of tell you guys on this Sunday to get back on that horse. Even if you get knocked down, just keep going. I know it's hard. Actually, before filming this video, I had a really hard week. I had a really long week at work. I was working 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. for 3 days out of the week. So today was actually the only day I could film this. So I actually don't clean all of my house. And I do quite a bit of laundry as well. You guys don't even see me finish my bed because it's currently like 9 p.m. when I'm doing this voiceover, and that laundry is still not done. So I kind of had to run some errands in the middle of the day, and that took away from filming, but I am happy I got to film for all of you guys. So enjoy the video.
Can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be
Believe it or not, this is actually my first load of the day, but it's the only one that you guys will see me film. But I actually just donated all of my closet. Like, this is like 90% of what I have in my closet is what you're seeing me fold here, besides towels and sheets, which was also being washed on this day. But the errands I ran was to a couple of different clothing stores. I needed a whole new wardrobe because I recently have gained a little bit of weight, so nothing fit me, and there was like actually an event this week at work, and I was like, oh, I have some dress pants, like I don't need to buy any new one. But those actually didn't really fit. So I was like last minute scrambling. I made it work, but definitely needed to go get some dress pants and some things just to have on hand since I did gain a little bit. But yeah, what do you guys love to do? Do you guys like to fold your laundry, or do you guys hang most of it? Tell me in the comments below.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back.
I don't know what it is about a clean bathroom, but after this is clean, like I keep going into it and like it's just so refreshing to see just a blank clean sink. It's crazy. I actually am on the phone, like in this little section, you'll see my hands moving, with somebody who was trying to scam me, and it was super entertaining, just like that sponge squeeze, to get them all frazzled. I kind of knew what was happening, so there you go with that. But yeah, what is your favorite thing to clean in a bathroom? Is it the sink? Is it the toilet? Is it the shower? Let me know in the comments.
Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall, could have tried much harder. Now all we have are
After that like bleach powder, I just go over the top of the counter with a little bit of Branch Basics. I love Branch Basics. I use it all over my house. It's a clean, natural cleanser that doesn't use any colorants, and it's safe for women, pets, babies. It's a really amazing brand. The link is in my description. I do not get any commission from it, so don't worry, I'm not affiliated with them. They don't even know that I'm making this video. So just check them out. I'm doing it just because they're a clean brand, and I want more of clean brands to get recognition. I also love how when I start vacuuming the couch, my dog goes to my little front door where it has a window, and she just loves to look outside. And so that's why I always have to vacuum the couch and put down a blanket, because the blanket protects the couch from my dog most of the time, so I don't have to like deep clean it on a weekly basis. But she also loves to look out the window, and since I don't have a lot of windows and I don't have a lot of space, I don't want to take her joy and her pastime away from her. So, but when she is at the front door, I do have to watch her and make sure that door is locked, because she has ran out of my house before when she saw a dog or something. So that's the only thing with that. And now I'm just going to wipe down this table and begin cleaning the rug.
We're strangers again. Strangers again.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe.
I love a good clean living room, any room. If it's nice and tidy, it's just the best to me. I have a passion for interior design. I have a passion for decorating a house and making it a home. So here's some close-up shots.
Just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like.
As you guys can see, I love this little entryway table. It's where I put most of my seasonal decorations, but I usually do like a farmhouse modern style. For Halloween though, my inner kindergarten teacher comes out, and I love anything childish, happy, colorful, etc. I'm not completely in love with black and white though. Like, I don't want my whole house black and white. I do like the neutrals, etc. But I do add a little bit of color with a pumpkin or two on the bottom of this, because I did want some type of color in my home decor.
You are like me, and I am like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy.
I kind of play around with this area. I have this ceramic box I got a few years ago along with this sign. Everything I have has been a few years old, but I got most of the stuff at either Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or like, I think one of them's from like the dollar spot at Target. So that was what it looked like. I know that was very quick. But on to the last section of the video. Again, this was about 5 o'clock at night. I just wanted to tidy this area that had kind of been collecting stuff all week. Again, I have a little bit of ADHD and I hyper-focus on my job and I don't focus on cleaning my house, especially if I'm emotional. So this is kind of my catch-all area and I do like to keep it tidy, but I did just clean it up today.
Usually don't share any secrets. Suddenly you're an open book. When I struggle to find the words, you get me completely. It's like I've known you forever, so I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through